Look at this, guys. We are under a severe thunderstorm right now. Look at those clouds. Yeah, it is. It is raining like crazy. And lightning is just flashing. Holy cow. Yeah, guys, I'm on Lightning VC, so I cannot talk. Yeah. You guys can't really hear him because I'm using my headphones. That storm is pissed. Like, really pissed. It is having a mental breakdown right now. Like, no joke. Listen. Look at my neighbor's roof. Yeah. Yep, this is definitely a severe thunderstorm. Uh-oh, I think it's hailing. Oh my gosh, I'm literally scared. I am so scared, guys. It's literally hailing. Listen. Yeah, that's actually hail. Oh my god. Guys, I'm scared. I am so scared. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so scared. This storm is so pissed off. Look out there, guys. That's what's falling. Do you hear that, Lightning Kid? It is coming down. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is probably the worst storm I ever had in my life. We have never gotten a storm as bad as this. Especially in the summertime. Oh my god. I am shaking so much right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Do you hear this? It is hailing right now. And lightning is just flashing right now. You gotta see this video when I'm uploading, when I got this, like, it's uploaded. Oh boy, it's getting worse. Guys, this is freaking me out. I'm literally having a panic attack. I'm scared of my glass breaking in my window. Oh my god. It's literally coming hard. Oh my goodness. This is a nightmare. Oh my god. I'm scared of the glass breaking. Please don't break. Heavenly Father, please help me. And all we say we do. I wish the storm to be over. Please don't let my house be broken. This hail is no joke. Yeah, it's hailing. Listen. You can hear it. This is the worst storm we ever had. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's non-stop. This starts going for the past like 10 minutes. I've been going for like 5 minutes. And it's still going. Oh my god. Where does this world become, guys? This storm is so mad. It's literally throwing a temper tantrum in my house right now. You can hear it. It's worse on video, I'll say that. Or worse in person, I should say. You also want to get this video uploaded. Look at this, guys. See that? Sounds like my window? That's hail. This is the worst storm I ever had. Probably like twice as worse as the, or more like 5 times as worse as what I got in the summer in 2024. That was just rain and just constant thunder. This one's even worse. I'm locking this window. The like is working on the beach house in Roblox right now, guys, but still, I don't want to work anymore. This is honestly satisfying, but scary at the same time. Yeah, I turned my my sensitivity up a little bit so you can hear it better. Oh shit! It's getting bigger. The hailstones are getting bigger. I think we have golf ball sized hail, guys. That's what it sounds like right now. I'm so happy I got this on camera though. This was amazing, but scary at the same time. Yeah. Oh, that was a good flash. Look outside, guys. You can't even see off the distance anymore. You can't even see my neighborhood. Like, it's storming so hard, it's causing some fog. Holy macaroni. Oh, that was a good one. Guys, it's getting worse. Oh, that was a nice one. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm just going to be quiet for a bit so you guys can hear this. I'll put the camera a little bit closer to the window so you guys can hear it. I'll be quiet for a second. Oh, I missed that one. Yeah, I had to stay quiet for a second. You guys can kind of hear how this sounds while it's raining. Oh, I kind of think I caught that ball. Just listen to that. Oh no. It's going back again. What am I living in? Freaking Tornado Alley? Yeah. I live nowhere near Tornado Alley, and this is what I'm getting, guys. We never got in a tornado either, honestly. There was one time we did get like a supercell kind of storm that kind of tossed some debris around one time. But that was like 7 years ago or so. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's getting worse. Okay, I'll be quiet, guys. You guys can hear this. It's still going, guys. We've been going for like 15 minutes already. But for me, it's been like 12 minutes. Look down there, guys. See that? That's hail. That looks to be marble-sized hail from looks of things, not golf ball. Because if it was golf ball, it would have broken the window already. Incredible, guys. I have never seen this before in my life. I've seen the storm have this much power a few other times, but not this much. And if it's still going, I might go on my Google Pixel and film it from there as well, so you guys can hear the audio being not so muffled. Because my 832, which I'm using right now to record this video, that's had the best quality in the world, but it's my main phone that I use on a regular basis, so. I have my phone pretty close to the window so you guys can actually hear it more than my voice. But I don't know. It's still fucking going, guys. It's not stopping. We're like in the eye of the storm right now. And if you're in the eye of the storm, guys, you are done for. Like, you're cooked. It would just be constantly rumbling thunder, striking lightning, hail, and rain and wind. And yeah. Let's see if we get any let's see if we can get any good lightning strikes over here. Yo, imagine if lightning struck one of those trees off in the distance. That'd be a good short to post. Like that tree over there or something. That would be nice. But it would scare the crap out of me. We're going for like 15 minutes already. If the storm's going for like 20 minutes, and it's still going. It's not really hailing anymore. So it's kind of calmed me down now, but wow. Can you believe this? The worst storm in recorded history that hit my area. By far. Yeah, it's kind of calmed me down now. It's still raining pretty hard, but not hailing. And we're kind of having a lightning show right now. Wow. I think it's over, guys. That was the best storm I've ever recorded in my life. And that was probably the worst storm we ever had. Our state's not really known for storms like this, but we got one, so there you guys go. I'll keep filming so we can catch some lightning strikes and come across any more hail. But I think it's over. The hail's over, but the rain's not. It's just going to continue to rain for the next like 15 to 25 hours. I would be very surprised if a tornado spawned like in the storm. I'm sure a tornado is definitely in the storm because it was coming down hard. But I don't see any green in the sky or anything like that, so I don't think there's a tornado in my area, which is good. If there was, we are screwed. It's starting to come back again, but I'm not hearing any more hail. But that was insane, guys. Oh, I got that one on video. That was a good one. It's like up there. Okay, I'll be quiet for a bit so you guys can hear the thunder. Ooh. Hope I got that one. Yeah, you guys can't really hear with thunder too well because my window is closed and I'm not outside, so. But all that matters was just getting the strikes. And this video's getting pretty dang long, so I'm gonna have to wrap it up pretty soon. I might record with my new camera because the quality on that thing seems to be pretty well. But we'll see. But wow, guys, that was probably the best film I ever recorded on my channel. Or anywhere in particular. In all my years of photography, I have never captured a storm this bad before. I have never seen anything like this before. And look at the canal. It's overflowing a little bit. Like, it rains so hard, it caused the canal to kind of overflow a little bit, I'm pretty sure. But I don't see it really going over the sides or anything, so I think it's fine, but still. Alright, I'm gonna open my window a little bit so you guys can hear the thunder better. Oh, it's locked. I just thought we were gonna die. Oh my gosh, that was a nice one. Did you guys see that? That was a nice one. It's still raining, but not as bad as it was before. It's got obvious lightning strikes we're gonna have to worry about. And I'm impressed we didn't lose power the whole time. It's been something for like half an hour, and we did not lose power at all, which is impressive. All this video goes is my phone was out of storage, and we'll wrap it up there. Hope I got that one. And if this storm still continues, I'll just record the rest of it on my Pixel, maybe my new camera that I just got. Look how dark it is over there, guys. It's just really dark over there. clouds kind of moving in this direction, so yeah, now the storm is now wrecking that neighborhood over there and other stuff. But wow, guys, that was probably the best storm we've ever got to record. What do you guys think? Have you ever experienced a storm like this before? Tell me your story down below in the comments down there, and I'll check it out. Okay, it looks like it's starting to calm down now. Still raining and kind of thundering, but not as bad. Wow. Was that insane? Yeah, it's starting to calm down now, so I didn't end up this video here, guys, so any more lightning? Probably not. That was epic, though, I will say that, but it kind of scared the crap out of me, though, when it started to hail. Like, I was freaking out. Like, it was really shocking. Oh, got that one. Alright guys, my phone is getting full on storage, so I would do a part 2 if I see any more of this storm, but probably not because it's not going off over there. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, because that was kind of scary but funny at the same time. So hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.